Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got T-Mobile home internet and want to connect your PS5 for gaming, downloads or online features, the setup may seem a little confusing at first. Sometimes people see the Wi-Fi network but are unsure which settings to choose, while others want the best connection possible before jumping into games. Since gaming systems can connect through either wireless internet or a direct cable, knowing the right order can help everything feel much smoother from the beginning. The best part is that connecting a PS5 to T-Mobile home internet usually only takes a few moments once everything is ready. Let's go through an easy way to get your PS5 connected. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the PS5 and open the network settings from the main menu area. Step 2. Select the Wi-Fi network from the T-Mobile home internet connection list on screen. Step 3. Enter the password for the T-Mobile home internet network carefully to avoid connection issues. Step 4. Allow the PS5 a moment to complete the internet connection setup process. Step 5. Run the connection test on the PS5 to confirm online features are working properly. Step 6. Open a game or online service on the PS5 and confirm the internet connection feels stable.